Hey there! Are you ready to dive into another fascinating topic today? Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of division. It's a fundamental concept in math that helps us in our daily lives. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how useful and fun it can be. Division is simply splitting something into equal groups. It's like sharing in a fair and organized way. Imagine you have a big chocolate bar, and you want to share it with your friends. How do you make sure everyone gets an equal piece? Division helps you figure out how much chocolate each person gets so everyone has an equal share. It's all about fairness and equality. See? Division is all about fairness and making sure everyone gets the same amount. It's a great way to ensure everyone is happy. Let's dive in and learn more about this awesome math skill. Get ready to become division experts and have fun while learning. Let's say you have a plate of 12 delicious cookies. They look so tasty, don't they? You want to share them equally with your two best friends. Sharing is caring after all. How many cookies should each person get? This is a fun math problem to solve. That's where division comes in handy. It's a useful tool for fair sharing. We can write this problem as 12 divided by 3 equals what? It's like a puzzle waiting to be solved. The number 12 represents the total cookies, all the cookies you have on the plate. The symbol divided by means, well, divided by, it's the operation we use to split things up. The number 3 represents the number of friends, including yourself. And the question mark represents the number of cookies each person gets. It's the answer we're looking for. To solve this, we can imagine dividing the 12 cookies into 3 equal groups. Visualizing helps. Each group will have 4 cookies. That's simple math. That means each person gets 4 delicious cookies. Everyone gets the same amount. See how easy that was? Division makes sharing so straightforward. Division helps us share things fairly and quickly. It's a great skill to have. Division is everywhere. We use it all the time without even realizing it. Remember when you went to the grocery store with your parents? Division helps them figure out the price of each item in a multi-pack. Or think about when you're playing games with your friends. Division helps you divide the cards equally or figure out how many points each player scores. Division is a super important skill that we use in so many different ways. Section 4. Fun with division. Division can be a lot of fun when you use your imagination and creativity. Now that we know how to divide, let's have some fun practicing. You can use buttons, crayons, or even pieces of candy to create division problems. Think about how you can divide these items into smaller, equal groups. Try dividing a group of objects into equal groups. For example, if you have 12 buttons, see how many groups of 3 you can make. See if you can figure out how many objects are in each group. This helps you understand the concept of division better. You can even ask your friends or family to join in the fun and solve problems together. Working in a group can make learning more enjoyable. The more you practice division, the easier it becomes. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be a division expert. Plus, it's a great way to challenge your brain and have some fun with math. So grab some objects and start dividing today. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. Section 5. The power of division. Division is a powerful tool that helps us understand the world around us. It helps us solve problems, make fair decisions, and even build incredible things. When you grow up, you might use division to design buildings, create video games, or even explore outer space. The possibilities are endless when you have the power of division on your side. So keep practicing your division skills, and who knows what amazing things you'll achieve. Section 6. Fun fact: time. Did you know that the largest number you can create by using only the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4 once each, and no other mathematical symbols, is actually a division problem? It's true. The answer is 1,234 divided by 1 equals 1,234. Keep exploring the world of math. and you'll discover even more fascinating facts and endless possibilities. Stay curious, my friends.